Hi everyone. I'm here this morning in Pasadena, California at the Mack and Jackie Robinson Memorial in Centennial Square, just in front of the Pasadena City Hall. As you can see, these are enormous monumental busts of the two brothers. Mack and Jackie were born in Cairo, Georgia, but they grew up in Pasadena, California, here. And they both went to John Muir High School, and they both also went to the Pasadena Junior College.
I'll turn around so you can see where it's located. It's just right outside the front of the Pasadena City Hall here. And it's really, really impressive. It's one of the most beautiful memorials I've ever seen. There's a dedication plaque here.
If you're watching this on a large enough screen, you can stop the video here and enlarge it and read about the brothers and their lives and about this memorial monument.
If you haven't heard of Jackie Robinson, he was the, I believe, the first African-American baseball player to be hired on a major league baseball team.
So if you're not familiar with the two brothers, they were both famous athletes. Mack was a runner, and he won the silver medal at the 1936 Berlin Olympics in the 200-meter dash. There have been a number of excellent movies and documentaries made about his life, if you're interested in learning more.
Yeah, well,
A little more than a decade later, in 1947, Jackie Robinson became the first black baseball player to play for a major league baseball team, and when he joined the Brooklyn Dodgers in 1947.
And one of the interesting things about the sculptures here is that there are a number of quotes. There are quite a few things etched into. That's really cool.
There, sir. It's a words written on the back of his head.
Yeah. There's words. There's quotes. There's little drawings. Yeah. Yeah. You have to look closely, but it's really interesting.
I hope it ain't faded out.
Now it's a little bit difficult to see, but if you look closely, you can see that etched into these busts on the backside and sides of their heads are the stories of their lives. It's really cool.
Two baseball bats.
The stories are told with images and also with text. And like Mack Robinson, Jackie Robinson's life story has also been depicted on screen in some really terrific movies as well. I also find it really interesting that all of the people and the city and everyone involved in this memorial really paid a lot of attention to detail. You'll notice the trees behind the sculptures here are peach trees. And the brothers were from Cairo, Georgia. That's where they were born. And Georgia is famous for its peach trees. Another interesting detail is that Mack's bust, which is the one on the left, faces directly into City Hall. And apparently this was symbolic because he remained in Pasadena, whereas Jackie, who's on the right-hand side, his faces east toward New York and Brooklyn. He spent much of his life after leaving Pasadena.
He was one of the best.
So whether you're an African American history buff, a baseball fan, a fan of the two legendary brothers, or just someone who loves street art, definitely want to add this to your list of things to do and places to see the next time you're in Pasadena, California.
This is a really interesting thing you can do for free here in Pasadena. You'll also want to walk right across the courtyard there and visit City Hall. It has a beautiful fountain, beautiful architecture.
So thanks for joining me today. And if you like this video, please leave a comment down below in the comments section, especially if you have one of your own free travel destinations to share. Until next time, remember that the best things in life are usually free.